Many boys and girls begin to masturbate during puberty or sometimes earlier. And I can attest to that fact. And ito, probably TMI. But I know that stuff even when I was in kindergarten. And masturbation does not cause or physical or emotional harm, but should be done in private for learners 9 to 12. So that's definitely long overdue. Meron pang nagsasabi na, I think 0 to 4 daw. Pinapakilala na yung mga concepts na ganito. To which I say, I mean, yeah, that's kind of weird. But the problem is, would we rather have them learn it from the internet, lalo na mga iPad kids, mga puro YouTube, puro TikTok itong mga tao na to? O kaya naman ay sa mga teacher na equipped to handle these sort of things. Would you want your children to learn it from the internet, or the teachers that would be equipped to handle these sort of things? And I'm not discounting the role of the parents here, pero the fact of the matter is, it's an uncomfortable topic sa mga parents to discuss this with their offspring. Kaya nga meron tayong peer counseling na nakalagay mismo dun sa batas. And I'm not saying na, don't teach the respect for gender identities. Maybe kind of gloss over it, pero don't teach them entirely yung concept ng transgenderism and all that stuff. Kasi let the students figure it out first. Kasi ayaw natin ma-influensyahan yung kanilang, what do you call it, thinking. Kasi as we all know, the kids 0 to 5, 0 to 7, 0 to 10 is highly susceptible to suggestions. Maybe they're just confused. I mean, I sounded horrible just saying that, pero let's not add too much semantics at definition sa kanila kasi mamaya, syempre, mga overthinker yan. So, what would we or what should we give or throw at them? Maybe when they're in senior high or maybe even just junior high, they could further explore, pero definitely respect the choices of other people, right? And I don't think that sounds controversial. But if you bother to read the 25-page Senate bill, of which I did not, makikita natin na there is not even any mention of self-pleasure or masturbation in the bill. And trust me,